So I'm not, is this recording? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm not completely sure how this is supposed to be done as being a teacher and a student, but we'll do our best. Okay, let's go to student mode. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Jane Austen and getting excited about our Pride and Prejudice unit. So, Jane Austen was born in 1775. She's known for her 6 major novels. These novels often explored the dependency of women on marriage in the pursuit of favorable social standing and economic security. So some of them are Emma, Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, Mansfield Park, Ranger Abbey, Persuasion. I'm sure some of you have seen some of these films or heard these stories. But Jane Austen was really popular in her time for her work, which is not typical for any author, especially for women, to receive recognition during their lifetime. But her novels were really popular then and are really popular now. So the next thing I want us to do is I'm going to take the pre-reading quiz. Ooh. Okay. So, it looks like we have, imagine I have lots of students who took this. We have a variety of answers. So let's look at the first question. Do we choose love? And let's just have a conversation about that. So then we'd have a conversation about the questions, but there's just me, so we're not going to do that. Okay. Let's get a little bit of a sense of what we're getting ourselves into.
He's here.
Is he amiable?
Is he handsome? He's single.
Police.
Oh my goodness! Everybody behave naturally.
Mr. Collins, at your service.
In an era when marrying a rich man was the most a woman could hope for, Elizabeth Bennet was way ahead of her time.
I singled you out as the companion of my future life.
Sir, I cannot accept you. Don't worry, Mr. Collins. Tell her you insist upon them marrying. Oh, please. You will have this house. I can't marry. And save your sisters from destitution. You cannot make me.
From Jane Austen, the beloved author of Emma and Sense and Sensibility.
That is Mr. Darcy.
He looks miserable, poor soul.
Miserable he may be, but poor he most certainly is not. Do you dance, Mr. Darcy?
Not if I can help it.
What on earth have you done to poor Mr. Darcy? I have no idea.
I do not have the talent of conversing easily with people I have never met before.
Perhaps you should practice.
May I have the next dance, Miss Elizabeth?
It would be most inconvenient since I've sworn to loathe him for all eternity. You may.
He's so rich.
By heavens, Lizzie, what a snob you are.
Focus Features presents the story of a modern woman
Mr. Darcy is engaged to my daughter. Do you think this union can be prevented by a young woman of inferior birth?
who discovered the one person she cannot stand is the one man she may not be able to resist.
Did you expect me to rejoice in the inferiority of your circumstances?
From the first moment I met you, your arrogance made me realize that you were the last man in the world I could ever marry.
Do you not think him a handsome man? Yes, I dare say he is.
From the producers of Bridget Jones's Diary and Love Actually.
He's been a fool, but then so have I.
We are all fools in love.
Keira Knightley, Matthew McFadden, Brenda Blethyn, Donald Sutherland, and Judi Dench.
You have bewitched me, body and soul.
I thought you didn't like him. So did I. So did we all.
Pride and Prejudice.
Okay, Looks exciting, right? I think this commercial does a few things right, but it also kind of makes it out to be just a love story. And there's so much more depth to the story than just a love story. So hopefully you will kind of start to see that as we read the book. Okay, so now I'm going to give you 10 minutes to look up what 18th century English clothing would look like and draw me a picture. Go. I think that's pretty good. So there's my response. Okay, now, last thing I'm going to do today is, last night you read an article about the difference between Pride and Prejudice, and then we had this discussion in class about it. So just tell me, what did you learn from that essay? Just give me some takeaways. Okay, awesome. Thank you for your guys' participation in class, and then we'd probably discuss the reading, and yeah, that would be the lesson.